Next is the method of the compositing. So in this there are the different methods are there for compositing. So we are going for only for the two methods. One is Bangalore method, another is the indoor method. Bangalore method is also called as the anaerobic compositing, and indoor method is an aerobic compositing. So anaerobic, in the absence of oxygen. Bangalore method, it all carried out in the absence of the oxygen. In indoor method, in the presence of oxygen, everything will be carried out. So that's what the difference between aerobic and aerobic. So let me go for the discussing about the anaerobic Bangalore method. So here a deep excavation has been done. Okay, in the deep excavation, so whatever the solid waste which has been there, it will be dumped into that well. Each After placing to about some thickness, the water in between that, you can see that 5 centimeter thick night soil and excreta is been, whatever the hatch portion which I'm been showing here. So that is the intermediate layer of the excreta or the night soil is being placed one after the above the layer of the solid waste. Okay, so considering about the every 30 centimeter or 50 centimeter, the 5 centimeter thick night soil and excreta layer has been laid on the top and bottom of the solid waste. So this is the Bangalore method. After placing the top layer, after the placing final the deposition of the solid waste on the top of it, it has been covered with the night soil. Then soil has been covered completely with the tarpaulin sheets or any by any other means. But on top of it, a gap is being made around 25 to 30 centimeter gap has been made from the top layer of the solid waste to the top of the cover. So in this, whatever the method which is being used, it will undergoes the following. In this Bangalore process, the compositing material is not tanged, and it is been allowed to remain in the pit for about the 4 months and longer. In this method, it follows like about 50 centimeter, whatever the trench is been developed, and the night soil about 5 centimeter thick is been spread on the each trench. Normally the night soil flows rapidly by the itself, but long handle the broad blade can be used for the spread at its whenever it is necessary. In the succeeded layer of the night and solid waste, the night soils are been added similar manner in with the pit stack is based about the 30 centimeter to 50 centimeter above the ground. So and the pit curb, which is noted as the soil cover. Okay, so each layer of the night soil is immediate covered with the waste, and the topmost layer of the waste solid should be at least 20 centimeter thick. The compositing mass develops the temperature around the 60 degree in very few days. After the materials has been decomposed for several days, the volume decreases and the piles settles to half of it to two-third of its original depth. A new layer of the night soil of the waste can be thus be an it can be added to the pit until the level is being again it has reaches to its pit curb. The pile may be covered with the 5 centimeter layer of the earth to the help to prevent the escape of any ammonia. After about 4 to 6 months, the materials has been developed into a humus, which can be removed by directly put on the soil or screening. So this is about the production of the composite by the Bangalore method. Next, we will discuss about indoor method.